Hey besties, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate your very own talking avatar just like this using your smartphone and in 3 simple and easy steps. Let's get started. First, we're going to create our avatar, and for that we're going to go to Bing Image Creator. So just go to Google and search for Bing Image Creator and just choose this first one. You'll come to where it says describe what you would like to create and just write your prompt. So my prompt is African woman sitting in a beautifully furnished office and looking straight, realistic, 8K high quality. Once you've written your prompt, just click on join and create. If this is your first time using the Bing app, you will need to register with an email address and a password. Now I've clicked on it and it's creating. One thing I love about Bing is it's free. They give you 15 coins to use every single day. With these 15 coins, you can search for 15 images. So once you're done with your coin, you won't be able to use it again unless you purchase a coin. But you can always come back the next day and you will have 15 coins. These are the images it generated for me. I love them. And why I mentioned looking straight is to create your talking avatar, your avatar needs to be positioned straight. And the head shouldn't be bent. It should just be looking straight. Okay, I could use any of this for... I won't use this. I may probably go for this, but let me check out the other ones. No, this one is not really... I can also use this one. I also like this. Okay, so which would you prefer? Let me know in the comments, but I will go with this one. To download it, just tap on these 3 dots right here. Click on download. You click on download again, and if you're using an iPhone, you need to take one more step and open it in your downloads and save it. But if you're using an Android phone, it's just going to save to your phone gallery. In this next step, we're going to make our image fit a frame. And this depends on where you want to post your video, either social media or YouTube. So if it's for social media like Reels, TikTok, you will need to choose the TikTok frame, which is 9:16. Or if it's for YouTube, you need to choose the YouTube frame, which is 16:9. And that's because when you get an image from Bing or most of these AI image generator, it won't give you the specific frame that you want. The images come mostly in a square format, and this is not the frame that you need for either social media or YouTube. So you need to change the frame. And the app we're going to use is Canva. You can either use the web version, just go to Google and search for Canva. And if it's your first time, you just sign up with your email address and a password, or you can use the app. Go to your Google Play Store or App Store and download the app. Also need to sign up with your email address and a password. Once you've done this, it will bring you to this page. Click on this plus sign below and search for the frame that you want. If it's for Reels, just search for Instagram Reels. If it's for YouTube video, just search for YouTube video chapter. So I'm just going to search for YouTube video chapter. I'll click on it. And it brings me here. I'll scroll through the tools below and click on uploads so that I can upload my image. I think I already uploaded my image, but if this is your first time, just click on upload files, photo library, and upload your image. Click on add. Then you click on the image you uploaded. This is it. Just make sure it fits perfectly like so. Tap on your image and just tap on effects. It will bring out these effects. Just go to Magic Expand, tap on Magic Expand and tap on whole page. Then just tap on Magic Expand and let it do its magic. This will take a few seconds to a minute. It has generated 4 options for us, and this is so beautiful. This is cool. This is also nice. I like how it What is this? Oh my goodness. I like the first one. What do you think? Would you go for this? Would you go for this one? But I like this one. This one blends more. Or even this one. Oh, okay. This or this. But I'll go for this one. I'll go for this one. I'll click on done. And you can see that it has expanded the image to fit the entire screen. Beautiful. I'll click on save, click on download, and yes, it's going to download as a PNG. I'll click on download again, and it will save to your phone gallery. Canva lets you sign up for the pro version free for a month. So if you want to use the Magic Expand, you may need to sign up for the 30 days trial. This is so easy, just follow the prompts. The image is saved to our phone gallery. Next, you go to your Google Play Store or App Store and search for Dub Lab. Then you install it. Once you've installed it, click on open and it will bring you here. Just click on this plus sign. Then it will bring you to this page to either generate an AI avatar or upload your own photo. Since you've already created our own photo, I'll just click on upload your photo. You may need to grant it some permission to access your gallery so that you can upload your photo. I'll click on my photo, the one we just expanded using Canva, and click on, if you want to use multiple photos, you can click on that. I'll just click on keep current selection. You click on next. Here you need to add an audio. Click on add an audio. You can either generate an AI voiceover, just write out your script, or if you already have an audio file you want to use, just click on audio file to upload it, but it has to be less than 3 minutes. Also, you can record an audio. It also has to be less than 3 minutes, or you can extract an audio from a video. For this, I'll click on record, and then I'll tap on this blue circle to record my audio. Hey besties, in this video, I'm going to show you how to generate your very own talking avatar just like this using your smartphone and in 3 simple and easy steps. Let's get started. After you've recorded your audio, you can either choose to restart it if you don't like it or if you feel like you made a mistake, or tap on preview to hear what you recorded, or you can tap on the backspace to go back. I'll click on preview so that I can hear what I recorded. Hey besties, in this video, I'm going to show you how to generate your very own talking avatar just like this using your smartphone and in 3 simple and easy steps. Let's get started. Once that's all done, just click on done and it's uploading. If this is your first time using Dub app, you're going to have to register with your email address and a password. And it's at this point it's going to request for that. So because I have used this app before, it's not going to show me that. But if that comes up, just follow the prompts and register with an email address and a password. Once you're done, it will start creating your talking photo. So I'll just click on make talking photo. It will bring you to this page. It's currently processing and it says it takes around 10 minutes to process a 1-minute clip. So because this is a 14-second clip, it won't take this long. But this app, Dub Lab, you're going to need credits. And when you're using this for the first time, it gives you free credits. The credits you need for each video depends on the length of your video. But if you want to keep using this, you may have to subscribe to the paid version or choose to watch ads. That's one thing I like about it. You can either subscribe or choose to watch ad to get credit. So each ad you watch, you get 1 credit. And the ad is usually between 20 to 30 seconds long. Our video is done processing, it's ready, and I'm just going to tap on it so that we can play it and see what we have. Hey besties, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate your very own talking avatar just like this using your smartphone and in 3 simple and easy steps. Let's get started. Okay, this is beautiful. I like it. Click on the back arrow, and to download this video to your gallery, just simply click on the download icon here and click on the download icon. and it has successfully downloaded my video to my gallery. This is how to create your very own talking avatar. Watch this video right here to learn how to create a reaction video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.